Hi y'all, welcome to Super Crafty Gal. Today we are going to be unboxing the Mr. Resin brand UV resin that does come with a portable UV light. As you can see, it came in a cardboard box. When it was delivered from Amazon, it came in a bubble wrap pack, one of the manila envelopes with bubble wrap on the inside. Down one side of the cardboard box, it gives you tips, keeping it away from direct light. Just little tips. On the back side was the UPC. On the other side, you see where it gives you some more facts about the resin. And then some settings for your lamp on how long you should cure certain things. Okay, it did come sealed on the top with a sticker. I'm gonna open it up. It came with 2 silicone mixing cups for adding your pigments. The bottle of resin. It was dented on the back, but I'm assuming that was just something that happens in production. It wasn't leaking or damaged, other than just dented. The instruction manual. I'll have to follow those instructions soon enough. I've never used this resin before, or actually any resin. A thank you card with a discount on your next order. A scoop, spatula, and a second one. Now this is where things got a little tricky. Is that the light looks well. You can see it was wrapped in bubble wrap. The light, or there's the instructions for the light. The light is brand new, straight out the pack. No scratches. However, I could not open the legs at first. I fought quite a bit with it. They were so new that they were stuck. I even tried prying them open with my tweezers, and I was actually afraid I would break them if I wasn't careful. Alright, I finally set it down to the side for a moment while I opened the cord. This cord is a pretty decent length of cord. However, you will need either a power cord, like a extension cord or something, unless you do have access to a plug right next to your workstation. Now is where I decided to look up about the legs because I still could not get them open. And finally, I decided to use a little brute force. They did pop open very stiff, but once I got them open that first time, they opened and closed freely. There you go, and just want to say thanks for watching. Keep watch out for any of our new unboxing videos coming up in the future, and craft videos where we use this resin to make different resin crafts. Have a good day. Thanks.